Hey everyone, it's Dr. Schneider here at Schneider Clinic. We are dedicated to the health of our patients, our community, and ourselves because we know some people are unable to get out due to the stay-at-home order. At this time, we are drop shipping our immunity kits to all of our patients who want them. Our immunity kits are usually $350, but because of the current circumstances with social distancing and the stay-at-home mandates, we are offering $50 off the immunity kits as well as free shipping to all of our patients. These are stressful times and we are all in this together. One way we can thank you for trusting us with your health and allowing us to care for you even from a distance is to reduce the cost of the immunity kits and help our patients save money. Immunity is the ability of an organism to resist a particular infection or toxin by the action of specific antibodies or sensitized white blood cells. Simply put, your immune system is a well-organized team that protects you from outside and inside threats to your body. Here at Schneider Clinic, we thrive on the fact that you understand the importance of preventing and recovering from a decrease in your immune system and understand to have good health, you must add action to your knowledge. Below, you can read about what our immunity packages include, how each product can benefit you and work with your body to keep your immunity levels up, as well as order the kit through our simple ordering process. We strongly recommend you take precautions during this time and give your body all the tools it needs to keep you healthy and safe. And we are here to support you in any way we can. Thank you for being great patients. We'll talk to you soon.